Any doubts in previous session?
No, sir, not much.
Okay. Today we will discuss about Proc, Freq, mean, format, outcome. Today we discuss these four procedures. So, according to statistics, the variables are of two types. One is categorical variable, and another one is continuous variable. So, categorical categorical variables means which we are used to use for categories. Suppose to know the counts. Suppose in a class, if you want to know about number of males and females, or to count any number of students, or anything to count, that comes under categorical variables. Suppose in our class that it's called as a data set. So in this, if we want to count any um, number of males and number of females, or if you want to count how many 11 age group, or how many 12 age group, like this, variables are comes under categorical variables. Okay, continuous variables are uh, we may call it as result variables. Suppose it comes under marks. Suppose in a total class, all students have written exams. So in that, what are the minimum marks? What are maximum marks? What are average marks? So these kind of variables are comes under continuous variables. Okay. So for categorical variables, to know about counts and percentage, we use Proc. So for continuous variables, we use Proc. Mean. Okay. So Proc means we can do only on numeric variables, but Proc can be done on both numeric and character. So here is the basic syntax. I did not tell any statements or options here. So if I run this in output window, you can see it counts on every variable. It counts on here, it counts on name. Here it comes from sex. Here it comes from age, height, weight. So, so for Proc means if you run three partly, you will get only for numeric variables. You can see age, height, weight. Okay, next Proc means we
So
uh,
Proc frequency data is a SAS class is almost a variable with this frequency is one. And please explain.
Proc frequency, Proc freq.
Mostly are one frequency.
I don't understand. Mostly,
Please run this data. This Proc frequency data is done.
can you please repeat? I don't understand what you are saying.
You want to
I'm
see the
saying
data of clock frequency, sir.
Okay, okay,
I mean,
Proc.
you want to run the clock
yeah.
data.
Yeah, yeah. Okay. So this is the if we run this Proc frequency, the data is frequency. Frequency means count.
Yes.
Count. This is count. Alfred, we have only one count, right? So we got one count. So percentage. This is also cumulative frequency, cumulative percent. This is also a count and percentage. This is for name variable. This is for sex variable. So sex for females we have nine, total nine, right? So in Sassel we have nine. There are nine females. So we got frequency as nine. Males we have 10. So we have 10 as frequency. This is the percentage. In Sassel we have total 19 variables. For 19 variables, the percentage of females are 47.37. For males are 52.63. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So this is for age variable. This is for height variable. So without giving any statements, just by giving this simply giving the data set name and run, it is showing us all the variables that present on class. But you can see in proc means we got only for numeric variables. Okay, age, height, weight means for proc means it works only on numeric variables. Okay, so first we will discuss about Proc Freq. So suppose if you want to count number of like how many subjects are how many students are present with 11 age 11 age 12 13 14 15 16. These are the ages we have in our data set class. In this we want to know count of 11 age group, 12 age, 13 age, 14 age. So just we have to give a statement called tables. Tables. So when we give tables, in the table statement we give the name as age. So it gives a statistics on age variable. You can see we got statistics only on age variable. For age 11, we have two students. So this is the percentage of age 11 group students. This is also number of students for age 11. So this is percentage. Like this, all age group counts and percentages. Okay. So this is the output window, right? So if you want to store this data as a data set, we have to give a class. After class, we have to give out equal to. So now we have to give the data set name that we want to create. Suppose that if we want to give a data set name as free, we have to give right here free. when I run this, you can see here in output window it was printed, and also the data set also created here as free. Okay, so let's open this data set. In the data set you can see age, count, percent. We have only three variables. So in the Proc the automatic variables, if anyone asks what are the automatic variables Proc, we can say count and percent. These are the variables that are automatically created in Proc, right? So these are called as automatic variables. Okay, this is the count, uh, number of students with age 11. 2 is the percentage. Number of students with age 12, they are 5. Age 13, they are 3. Okay, so now I will remove this. We'll keep it later. So here we have the counts and percentage, right? So in this, I want to group this with text. Means for females, how many 11 age group, how many 11 age counts have, how many 12 age counts have. For male, how many 11 age counts have, for two age 12 counts have. So I want to categorize. Okay, so to categorize, we have to give here that variable, and we have to give a cross. This is whenever we are giving here cross, this is called as cross tabulation. Here you can see in output window, now it is present in a listed format. So whenever we are given a star, it shows it in another format. That format is called, this format is called cross tabulation, cross by tabulation. So here you can see table of sex by age. Here we have the sex variable. So in this, females and males are present. In the females for age 11 we have one count. For age 12 we have two counts. For age 13 we have two counts. For age 2 two counts. For 15 two counts. For 16 there are no students present of age 16 in
Number of
female.
females count. Sir, is number of females count, no? Sex is equal to 11, age are the one count,
Yeah,
and 12 is are two.
number of females in age 11. Number of females in age
Ah,
12. Number of females in age 13. Okay.
there's two females. Number of counts are females. Are
Yeah,
13 age are two. 12
yeah,
are two.
yes. For females.
Yeah.
Here for male,
And,
in age 11 they are 1. In age 12 there are 13 males. Okay.
yeah.
This is the
Okay, sir.
total. This is the total percentage for the females. This is for males. This is the row percentage. Okay. For 11 we have 10. One for male, one for female. This is the row count and row percentage. This is column percent. Column means this column in the total variable have the column. This is
Total
column.
variable are the
Column per,
females are 9 and males are 10. Its total
uh,
number of
yes,
observation is 19.
yes.
Yeah. Okay, sir.
Okay. In this we have options called here. If we want to remove this row percentage and column percentage, we have options for this. So suppose if you want to remove this column percentage, this total, we can simply give here after slash. We have to give the option no row. Whenever we give the no row, here you can see before we have here we have the row percentage column. This was removed here. When So here you can see frequency percentage, row percentage, column percentage. So here this 11.11, here it was removed because we given here as the option called no row. Okay, the row percentage was removed here. So if you want to also remove this column percentage means this 50%, 40%, 66%. Simply we can give no problem. You can see the column percentage also removed here. 50%, 60%. Now we have only counts, one count, and we have the frequency and count only. So if you also want to remove this percentage, we can give more PCT option. So now we are left only with frequency, just counts 1, 2, 2, 2, 2, 0. Total females, total males. This is the total. Okay, these are the options we have here. So to get output in dataset, we have to give here out equal to week. We can give any name, and here I am giving week. So these options will not do any effect on this output dataset. These options will only work on the output window. It will not work on the dataset, right? Okay. Here we have 6 variable, age variable. For females, 11 age group, we have one count, and this is the first. Okay. This is how we use the Proc procedure. So whenever we are storing in the data set, you can see the output window was coming every time we run the code. So if you want to stop the code to print on output window, we have to give here an option called no print. So now it will not print on output window. Still it will run the code and execute our output data set. Okay. Can see it. So here so here we got in the form of cross tabulation, right? So here, if you want to come this in listed format, previously we got it here in listed format. So this was clear easy to see, right? So if you want to get the output like this listed format, simply we can give an option called list. Here, here you can see we got the output in listed format. So when it was in listed format, also we can use this option. You can see only frequency and Only frequency is same. This percentage and cumulative percentage. Remove. Only frequency and cumulative frequency are present in this. When they are given this options, no rule, no call, no PCT. These are the options we have in Proc tree. And here, this is here we given as text into age, right? So this is called cross tabulation, also called two-way frequency. When we give here only when we give here only one variable, this is called one-way frequency. When we give another one with star, means if we are saying text by age. Here analysis variable is age, means we got all statistics based on this age variable. So it will group with text variable. Okay. So here we got out. This is called as two-way frequency. So like this, we can increase and also give here another name. So here I am giving the variable. So here we have three variables. This is called three-way frequency. Here you can see. These are the options that present in the Proc. So any doubts?
No. Sir, all these options are for list and that is for Proc frequency only. No row, no column and all this.
Only for Proc frequency. It will not work for Proc
Okay.
Sir, you know proc frequency
Okay.
data. Proc frequency data says self-cache dot no print. Please can you have see this data?
Yes, this note print option was used to stop to print the dataset in output window. Previously, here you can see whenever we run this code, you can see the data was printing in the output window. Okay.
Yes, sir.
To
Yeah.
stop this, we use this no print option. No print option, and we are getting the output in the dataset, which we given here out equal to Freq. In the Freq dataset, we will get this output. Okay, this is how we should use this Proc print. So sorry, no print option. So here, so here you can see for females age level, the count is 1, and we have the 5%. So this percentage was coming, which is categorizing the whole 19 variables. Okay, so if you want the percentage based on the sex, suppose if you want to get the percentage only based on the sex and age groups, means for females we have to
Sex
get
group, female.
so for females we want separate percentage, for males we have separate percentage, means you can see here the total count of females are 9 right here, 9. You can see for age 15 we have 2, 14 to 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. So for these 9 counts, the percentage are 10 20 30 40 45. Here we have remaining 55. So means we are getting the percentage for considering the all observations. So if you want to consider only based on the sex variables, we have to give here the option called by sex. So whenever we are using the by statement, the data should be sorted based on this by variable values. Okay. So for this, we have to sort the data. So I'm sorting by sex variable. The out I given the data set name as A. So here I'm taking the dataset class. So now you can see the difference. We got the difference in percentage. Okay, we got percentage only for this females. Here we got percentage only for males. So in males, the 11 group are 10%. In males, 12 group are 30%. So previously we got the percentage on overall. Okay, do you understand this point?
Sir, the frequency data is equal percentage for the all data male and females, and this are the is not equal for the data female and males. Short
Yeah.
percentage.
Here,
Yeah, male is 11.11%, or one females. Females and males are 10% in one male.
okay, here we got counts based on sex variable, right?
Count.
For age
Yes,
11,
yes, sir, yes.
for age 11, we have
Yes, one count.
females, we have one count. So this is the percentage. Previously, the counts are getting based on the sex variable, but the percentage was getting for overall. Now, whenever we are given here the by statement, now the percentage got correctly. Okay.
Sir.
So this is about the top frequency. So let's move to the another process called Proc means. So here a person to discuss a small here here I'm getting the giving the analysis variable as sex only for sex. So when we run this, we got the counts for males and females here. In females we have 9, in males we have 10. So if we have any situation to take this data set for frequency, so I'm taking this data set here. So here also I'm going to count the taking the analysis variable as sex only. So here what counts we got 9 and 10, right? For females we have 9 counts, for males we have 10 counts. Okay. So whenever we are taking this data set as source, what happens? Let's see. You can see here it counts as 50%, 50%. But in the data, what we have, females 9, males we have 10 counts, right? But we are getting 1 because it was counting the only the repeats of F and repeats of M. But we have to consider this variable values also, right? So for that we have one statement. So this statement used to consider this variable value count as female. Means it will count like females as nine counts, males are 10 counts. Okay, it will calculate like that. So that statement is called as weight. In weight statement, we have to give this variable. This variable name was count. So when we give this, it will count based on the account variable values. Now we can see we got 9 and 10. If we remove this statement, it will show us only male count as 1, female count as 1, male count as 1. Okay, this is the use of weight statement. So do you understand this point?
Yes. So that weight count will give for the character values only, or it will for numeric also?
It works only for numeric variables because it
Okay.
will count only, so it counts the female, it thinks the count number of female counts are 9 based on the numeric value only, right? It does not consider any character value.
Okay, sir.
So if we give any numeric character variable, it tries to convert that character to numeric. You can also see that error in the login whenever we give here any character variable. So let's discuss it for a minute. Here the statement for analysis to give any analysis variable, we are given in the table statement type. So in proc means we have to give that in var state. Suppose if we want to get we want the on age variable, I am giving the age in var statement. You can see we got the analysis variable age. Total in the n variable we have the 19. Means it shows us the number of variables. Mean means average. In the here this is standard deviation. Minimum in the age values, the minimum we have 11, maximum we have 16. Okay. These are the 5 statistics we are getting defaultly when we use the proc means procedure. So if we want to store this data in output, we have to write a separate statement as output equal to mean. So here we are also getting the data in output window, and also we create the data set means also created. So we can see here we got The automatic variables are underscore type underscore Freq underscore star underscore and the age. You can see here n. N means the total number of observations. Min means minimum age value. Max means maximum age value. Means the average age value is the standard deviation. So here, if you want to get the statistics based on a variable called sex. So here we must should give only the numeric variable. So if we give here the character variable, it shows us the error in the logic. So here the variable system list does not match type prescribed for the list. Okay. So here must should we have to give